We're going to do a brief video on GBPUSD, GBP, technical analysis, GBPUSD analysis today. We've got a daily chart on here with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. And in a minute, we're going to show you some exact algorithmically generated entry prices for the GBPUSD. That's the British pound versus the US dollar. As you can see, we've been in a bear market since approximately September 2021 and continue to be in a bear market. As long as the US keeps raising interest rates, we're going to get people selling currencies and buying the dollar, and people are selling the British pound against the dollar. So we put in a low on the 26th of September at around a 1.035, got a very strong, very sharp rally up to about the 1.14 level, and you can see we broke through the 20-day moving average and it failed to hold. We're now, as of Friday, falling back down the 20-day, below the 20-day, below the 5-day, and it looks like we're probably going to head down this week to about the 108 level. If we catch support around the 108, we'll probably rally back up. If we do not, there's this chance. I don't think we're going to go challenge this September 26th low this week. I think what's probably going to happen is we'll come down to about the 108 level and then catch a rally up to about the 1.12 level and go sideways a little bit before this market decides what it's going to do. In general, if it's going to make lower lows, it's probably not going to make them until after the October 18th, 19th time frame. I believe that we're probably going to either go sideways or catch some kind of support in here and rally up a little bit. It's very highly unlikely we're going to get a significant rally as the U.S. continues to raise its interest rates. So my best guess is we're going to get a trading range in through here for the next week, somewhere between the 107.5 and the 1.12 level. That's my best guess for this week coming up for the British pound against the US dollar. Let's take a look and see what it says algorithmically down here. We put these out every morning before 7 a.m. If you check early in the evening the day before, usually you'll see these out after 6 p.m. for cash forex. These are for tomorrow morning, the 10th. You go down here and find the GBP versus USD, and it puts out a buy tomorrow at 1.1041. So basically consistent with my analysis. These are for 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading day periods, and they're the worst case. So if you put a position on and say in the 1-day column, you get out at the end of the next trading day just before the market closes at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them, and that's the same all the way across. If you put a 20-day hold on, you'd get in on the day these were published, get out at the 20th day just before the market closes at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you got them. Of course, everything's for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis, and you always trade at your own risk. These are for entertainment purposes only. But that's what we've got for you today for the GBP USD, both technically and for algo entry prices. You can get access to all of our algo entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. Again, rbamresearch.com. Just follow the link over in the description below. Just put your email in there and you'll get access to them immediately. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section. Again, all for entertainment purposes only, including the entry prices and our commentary. You can only use them for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.